Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to talk about a tool called Calendly. So Calendly is the modern scheduling platform that makes finding time of a person for a meeting very easily, and it integrates multiple platforms. So normally when you used to book a meeting earlier, you have to send multiple emails and say, okay, when are you free? What is your availability? Okay, my availability is this one. The other person's availability also we had to check, and we'll have to check, okay, whether this time works. So back and forth, we had to send so many emails. So instead of all those things, this website called Calendly takes care of all those things. So what you need to do is you just need to come there and sign up for an account, and you can do that using your Google account or any other social media account. Then you can put in your details. Then you can share this particular link that you have with your anyone. Then you can mark your availability there. So you can, if you go and edit this, it will show you which all days you are available. Your availability can be marked. So this is notification and cancellation. You can also change your availability by clicking on availability. So that way, so the days that you are available can be marked. So, and it syncs up based on your Gmail account or any other account that you have already logged in. Then once you have this, you can send it to anybody, and it will automatically create the integrations also. The integrations, in the sense, once you have integrated your Zoom account, your WebEx account, or all those Teams meeting, it will automatically take care of it and create a meeting for you. So it's a wonderful tool. So now if I want to have a meeting with somebody, I can just copy this link and send it to that person. So when they go to that link, they can see this. I want to have a meeting with Mr. No. So then they can choose the availability. Okay, Thursday 10th, 12 p.m. Okay, confirm. So then I put in my name, email. If I want to add an additional guest, I can put that in, and I say schedule meeting. So once I schedule that meeting, I will get an email with the details, and it will block the calendar of the person who you are having the meeting, and your calendar also is blocked. And based on your integration, whether it's a Teams meeting, Cisco meeting, or Zoom meeting, the meeting information is also shared with like meeting URL, conference number, all those things are shared. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.